What do a British factory, a French diplomat, Moroccan roads and a Corsican retirement all have in common? This car. This Mark I Ford Zephyr 6 has got more stamps in its passport than most people, and today we're driving it. Built when Britain still dreamed in chrome and petrol was pennies a gallon, the Ford Zephyr 6 Mark I is a rare breed. A car that didn't just survive the decades, it travelled through them. Today, I'm bringing you something truly special. A coach-built classic with a globe-trotting history and looks to kill. So let's get into the history of this Ford Mark I Zephyr 6. And the best part is, it's a convertible. This car started its life at Ford's Dagenham plant just east of London. But it wasn't destined to stay standard. Ford sent the shell to Carbodies in Coventry, specialists known for building London taxis and custom-bodied Fords. There it was transformed into a rare two-door convertible, one of only a handful made. Left-hand drive and ready for the world, this Zephyr was exported to Rabat, Morocco and sold to a French diplomat. After retiring, he took it to Corsica, where it remained until his death at the age of 91. The family stored the car in Lyon, France, untouched, quietly ageing, until a member of the Mark I Zephyr Owners Club spotted it. Hi Neil, welcome back to Classic Car Stories and another one of the fantastic cars in your collection.
Thank you very much.
So tell us, how did you get hold of this?
Well, I knew about it from about the year 2000 when it came into England from storage in Lyon, and the guy in the club had it and went through it mechanically, and then I lost track of it for a while, then saw it up for sale and I thought, you know what, I've got to have that. It's just such a lovely car.
Brilliant.
And I've been so pleased with it since I've owned it.
Yeah. So what have you done to the car since you've owned it?
Well, I've had it resprayed because, again, like the Corsair, the paint was completely faded and flattened, but it was not rusty at all. And the interior and the hood was sun-baked and split. So the interior's been refurbished as well, and new foam in the seats. They're like new again.
Yeah.
And some parts have been re-chromed, others were still in their original fettle.
So it would have been in this colour originally, yes?
This is the colour.
And what's this colour called?
It's Ford Ivory.
Right.
It's an export colour.
It's a lovely colour, isn't it?
It's great, yeah. I get an awful lot of admiring glances and words of encouragement about it. So yes, it's popular.
It is. Now let's talk about this hood, because it's a power hood and it still works, doesn't it?
Correct. It's a power hood. It's a two-position hood. It comes up to just above our heads, and that's called the coupe de ville position. And then you can roll it forward and clip it into these lugs on the end.
Yeah.
For a full, and it's waterproof. It works really well.
Brilliant. And you think it's 70 years old?
Absolutely. All as it was back then. The indicators, left and right. This is the horn ring. We've got an overdrive switch here, which is overdrive in second and third.
In 1955, overdrive was a rare luxury, especially on a mid-range car like the Zephyr. It made motorway cruising possible before motorways even existed in the UK.
The gear change, what they call 3 on the tree, on the column, and the valve radio, which actually does work after about 10 minutes when the valves warm up.
Early valve radios had to warm up before you could hear anything. Turn the key and the radio would slowly come to life as the valves heated up, glowing faintly behind the dash. By the mid-60s, transistors had taken over. Quicker, smaller and kinder to your battery.
But it only picks up desert island discs.
So Neil, let's talk about the wheels on this. Are they original?
They're the original 4.5J 13-inch pressed steel wheels, but they've got some 50s period extras. Yeah. The spinners on the hubcaps and the beauty rings and the white wall flappers. Just all add to the 50s ambience.
Explain what beauty rings are, would you?
Beauty rings are the chrome rim embellishers that go round between the tyre and the hubcap, effectively.
Yeah.
So they just set the wheels off.
Just make them look extra special.
It's the chrome thing. Yeah,
absolutely. Now let's talk about this engine. What have we got in there?
It's a straight 6, 2262cc. It's unbored, so it's still on the original standard bore because it's low mileage. It's got a high lift camshaft in it, which somebody found back in 2000 and put in, and that makes a difference.
Yeah.
I've changed the manifolds to Mark III Zephyr ones, which are a bit more efficient than the original hockey stick, so the gases get away better, and it just runs like a Swiss watch.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's find out, shall we?
Okay.
This isn't just a car, it's a rolling passport stamp. Dagenham to Rabat, Corsica to Lyon, and now proudly cruising the English countryside once again. So Neil, there's something unique about this number plate, isn't there?
Well, there is, yeah. NJ is my initials, Neil James, and 1955 is the year of the car.
Which is brilliant.
But interestingly enough, behind that number plate is the original Moroccan number plate, which was actually hand painted on a black background, and I just couldn't bring myself to remove that. So that's underneath that plate. But also, this is the Corsican number plate for when it was registered in Corsica. So I've kept that as well. It's all just part of the car's history.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Neil, thank you ever so much for showing us this wonderful car.
It's been my pleasure, anytime.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So listen, let us know what you think of this fantastic Zephyr 6. Leave your messages in the comments below. Don't forget to like, to share, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode of Classic Car Stories. But stay tuned, because this video is all about George and his fantastic American Beauty.